Hi, I'm Sue Williamson. I'm the editorial director of Girlfriend Collective, and today I'm going to show you how I incorporate Supergoop into my morning routine. So I have acne-prone skin, and today I'm going to show you everything that I use to get ready in the morning to maintain and prepare my skin and how Supergoop fits into all of that. My first step after I wash my face is always this rose water toner. It just cleanses my skin of anything I didn't get when I was washing and prepares it for all the steps to come. I used to use those cloth pads when I put it on, but I'm trying really hard to be less wasteful and feel like I get more product this way anyway. Next, I use this essence I got at a drugstore in Japan. I don't know what's in it, but it works so well for my skin. It's cleansing, but it's also really moisturizing and just gives my skin such a nice glow. This is one of those products I wasn't sure about when I bought it, but it became very much worth the risk. So next I use this True Botanicals Repair Serum as a carrier for my vitamin C powder, which is also from True Botanicals. Vitamin C is super sensitive, so they put theirs in a powder form, which I love. This is really, really good for like acne scarring or discoloration and just general brightening of my skin. Next, I apply Supergoop Sunscreen SPF 40. It's super important to use sunscreen after vitamin C to help it not oxidize. Plus, it's so important to prevent acne scarring. But it's also really important just to wear sunscreen every single day. But you already knew that, right? I apply a nickel-sized amount to my face and neck. It just has such a nice brightening tone to it. It's so pretty. It doesn't have any of that like chalky feeling that sometimes mineral sunscreens do, and it's super clean. I have some pretty mean pimples this morning, so I'm gonna use my Lom Dynaspot. It has sulfur in it, so it's nice and drying just for those little spots that need some extra love. Next, I apply Supergoop's matte sunscreen. It has SPF 40 in it, which gives me just that extra protection, and it has this really nice universal tint that I personally love to use as my tinted moisturizer because I don't love a ton of makeup, but I do want a little bit of coverage. Next, I apply the Supergoop Shimmershade SPF 30 in Golden Hour right onto my lids. I was so excited when they came out with this product because I burned my eyelids once and I'm not trying to have that happen again. Plus it's super pretty, it just goes on so easily. It feels like whipped cream or something. After I have my shimmer shade on and my lids are fully protected, I use liquid eyeliner from Sephora to draw a clean cat eye. Let's hope. I actually started doing the cat eye when I started getting a lot of like pimples around my chin. Even though I'm like pimple positive, I feel like just drawing the attention up to my eyes makes me feel a lot more confident, and I don't know, it kind of became my look, my post-acne look. Next, I use Diorshow Pump and Volume as my mascara. It's super dramatic, giant lashes, which I love. I know I said I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but that does not apply when it comes to my eyelashes. I feel like I put on at least 3 coats of mascara every day. Next, I use the Anastasia Brow Definer just to give a little definition to my brows. All I do is add a little bit up front just to fill them in and a little bit in the middle. So next I use Chantecaille Cheek Blush in the shade Happy. I've had this forever, I'm obsessed with it. It has that like natural glow, but it just gives you a little bit of like happy on your cheeks. I feel like it complements the matte screen really well because it kind of blends back in with it. Because I do such a big eye for day, I like to keep it pretty natural on my lips, but I always use SPF. I love the lip balm from Supergoop because it's moisturizing and protecting. All right, so as much as I'd like to stay in pajamas all day, I think I need to put some real clothes on. But thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to wear sunscreen.